This one stock can change early buyers' lives. This is not financial advice, but my research suggests it's a good idea to buy as much as possible before November 26th. The company is Twilio, ticker symbol TWLO. They do have a multi-year partnership with Microsoft on developing AI. Microsoft, of course, connected to OpenAI. Sorry for touching the microphone there. And they have significant revenue growth in the voice AI space. So that's part of why the earnings reaction is so awesome. They do have over $1 billion in revenue and year-over-year growth of more than 20%. So the ticker is Twilio. Let's jump into why this is the AI stock that is a good buy right now.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
So here's that revenue up, less than 20%, 15% year over year, but well over $1 billion. And notably, they've got accelerated growth in AI-powered communication. So if you've heard of Twilio, they're used by developers and also enterprises for anything automating phones and phone sales. So, for example, 1-800-Flowers could use Twilio for their vanity phone number. Anytime someone dialed that number, it could set off a sequence of automations to follow up with that customer, to send that call to a certain call center. Twilio does all that with a sequence of API calls. So there's a lot of automation. AI is not exactly what that was or is. That's still a big part of their business. But you can imagine with voice AI and with Microsoft's help, Microsoft being synonymous with OpenAI for the time being. I know their partnership is now changing, maybe becoming less long-term. OpenAI has a little more leeway to get compute from other big tech companies, which Microsoft gave them that option. So Twilio can basically use OpenAI voice type technology, which is a big deal because they are the brand name in sales software. So this is the ticker. That's a little bit about what we're looking at here, but significant sell-off in Q2 earnings, okay? But now we're coming back to that level. So it's an important time. Big move up on earnings, pull back, which if we look at some other companies after earnings, AMD sold off on earnings, came right back. It's very normal for companies to pull back, have some profit taking on earnings. Apple as well pulled back significantly, now moving up. So this pullback on Twilio, pretty minor. And if we look at the last couple of days, very tight today. It was a red day in the SPY, so a little selling off. But this is definitely an important level, this 130 level, going back to that Q2 earnings. If it can get over 130 and change, really 135, then there's definitely a lot of blue skies up ahead. So that's the setup. And if you want a specific level, it's got to be this close right now, 135 on the dot, which does in fact go back to Q2 right here. Okay, right there. So that's Twilio. That's the idea. And you might say, well, Twilio's a huge company. I mean, surely there's some other voice AI companies. I don't know if you were thinking that or not, but there is. You've probably heard of SoundHound. This is similar to 11 Labs. They do like the voice for, say, Taco Bell or Sonic, so you can order without talking to a customer. Putting aside that some of those voice systems are getting rolled back, this company sold off significantly. It's not really that interesting after the sell-off on earnings as well. And then if you want to take, SoundHound's brother, big brother, AI, this could go at some point. The earnings reaction's solid. It's definitely on watch, but it's not really, it's just a little bit speculative. So Twilio is in that basket of stocks that seem to be working right now, which is those high volume closes, earnings reactions that run. GM continuing to move up here. Ford starting to move up more as well. So definitely the automotive stocks getting a bid. Tesla still hanging out, but not breaking down. So with all of that backdrop of solid earnings reactions being the best pattern right now, Carpenter as well as CRS holding that level, you have to think that this level is also important for Twilio right here. So if we can get above there, it's super interesting. Could take a couple of days, could take a week, I don't know, but definitely important to keep eyes on that. So a little bit more about how they're basically moving into AI. If they can become an AI agent leader, they're one of the few companies that is incredibly clear how they would use an AI agent, because they already basically have a bunch of automations. They're a lot like this company Zapier, because they have Zaps. It's basically a no-code automation platform. So that's what you do. You drag boxes around. Anyone can do it. And then they connect, Google Docs to Google Sheets to Twilio. Twilio can connect to this as well. So, and of course, now they're connecting to the LLMs as well, Claude and Perplexity. So Twilio definitely in the AI conversation. And they're that nice mix of a software company that is already well positioned for AI. So you don't have to make a bet on Salesforce getting into AI that's down super, super heavily like that. You can just buy the company that is established, but also it's very clear how they would move into AI. So that's the idea. If you like these ideas, hit that like button. If you want a free course on how to buy stocks before they go up, hit that subscribe. And if you want a free trial on the best stock idea of the day in a one-on-one Discord room, head over to stockscommunity.com.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.